Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your Reddit account and choosing the right app type for your project. Enable two-factor authentication now because Reddit may require it for developer access. This protects your client secret. Next, pick whether you need a script app for bots, an installed app for local clients, or a web app with a redirect URI. Once you decide, log into Reddit, open the Developer Apps section, and click Create App to begin filling the form. Continue by filling the Create App form precisely, because fields map to OAuth flows. Enter your redirect URI exactly, since mismatches cause auth failures. Pick scopes that match needed access, like read or submit. Once saved, copy the client ID and client secret immediately. Client ID is visible on the app card, and secret appears once. For scripts, you use the password grant with username and password. For web, finish by exchanging codes or using the password grant to obtain an access token, and if available, a refresh token. Store client secret and tokens in a secure vault or environment variables. Never hardcode them. Then test a simple API call with an authorization header to confirm permissions. If you get 401, 403, or invalid grant, check that scopes match. Redirect URI matches exactly, system clock is correct, and you haven't hit rate limits. Adjust settings, then retry.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.